What's going on, everybody? Joey here, back for another day inside the garage. And today I'm going to be talking about brake bleeders. This one exactly is a pump vacuum brake bleeder. And basically what this does is you're going to pump it, and it's going to pump the fluid out of the brake system and hopefully get the air also. So first thing I have to do is I have to open it up. And by looking at the packaging already, it's going to be one of those pain in the butt ones. You know I like a good packaging, but this one is horrible. So I'm just going to cut it open. Careful with that hose. And see if I can liberate this brake bleeder from this horrible packaging. And there we go. So what all comes with this $15 Harbor Freight brake bleeder? You got the extra pump, got some tubing, looks like bottom cap, and tubing. That's it. But that's all you need. It looks like there's stuff inside of here. Ooh. This O-ring isn't the best, if you can see that. Looks like it's already coming a little bit loose. That's going to be a issue down the line. Okay, so that's how it snaps on like there. Looks like this bad boy. Oh, just for on the top. So this one goes on the top when you're not using it. You can seal up the tube. And it looks like we have a whole bunch of fittings. So let's see here. I'm guessing different types and different nipples, and that should be good. That's it. That's all we need. So let's go get to it and check out how it works. Now the first thing I want to do before actually starting to vacuum pump the brakes and get that fluid out is check the fluid in the reservoir. That's going to be key because I don't want it to run too low. There's a max right here, and then there's a minimum right down here. I got to watch out and make sure it does not get below that minimum. If it does, we're going to be pulling air into the system, defeating the whole process, and wasting time. So I filled that up all the way to the top and just put this back on loose, as you can see. But I want to make sure that I don't get any dirt, gunk, anything like that in it. It should be okay, but just in case. And now back here, I figured out what I need is going to be, it looks like this small fitting for my back drum brakes. I'm going to need, I think that's it. So I'll clear all this stuff out of the way, and so I don't lose it, I'll need a wrench, of course, to break that valve. I got an 8mm right here, and just some extra little bits and bobs that they threw in with it. So first thing I'm going to do is actually make sure I got a good seal. Now in this vehicle, it has drum brakes on the back, so it has a bleeder valve right back there. So I'm going to put on my wrench first, that way I can actually open up the valve, and then I will just place this right over the bleeder. And it should be easy as that. Now that I have my wrench on the other direction, the open side, alright, so now I can break it loose. And open it up. There we go. So from here, I can just keep pumping and see what I get out of it. And as you can see, absolute failure. This thing is busted. This thing is junk. Worked on the first one fine. Then as you saw, it just started sucking the brake fluid right into this pump. And then once it hit the pump was done. So, this one, I do not recommend. But, thanks for watching as always. Like, subscribe, comment. If you want to see more, keep watching the channel. I'll keep doing me. Have a good day, everybody. Thanks for watching.